Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my recipe for almond cookies. They're so delicious and so easy to make, so let's get started. So what you'll need is flour, granulated sugar, brown sugar, baking soda, baking powder, salt, butter, egg, almond extract, sliced almonds, and crushed almonds. So the first thing you want to do is to preheat your oven to 325. You'll also need a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. And the first thing you want to do is to combine all the dry ingredients. So in a bowl I have flour, and I have granulated sugar and brown sugar, the baking powder, baking soda, and the salt. And you just want to give it a quick mix. Next, you're going to be putting in your butter. And you just want to cut the butter into the flour mixture. And you want it to become like crumbs. So now that it looks like crumbs, you're just going to put your egg in and the almond extract, and you're just going to mix this until it's well combined. Now, because this is a very dry dough, if you feel that it's too dry, you can add another couple of tablespoons of water. And eventually I got in there and I just mixed it with my fingers. So next you're going to take a tablespoon and just take some. I'm using a cookie scoop. Just roll it out to a ball and place it on the parchment paper. Now you want to leave at least about 1.5 inches space between each cookie. So once you've done that, take a spoon, and in the back of the spoon, you're just going to press it down lightly. We don't want to flatten the cookie, just press it down a little bit. So once you've done that, you take an egg white and a brush, and this is optional, you don't have to, but I like that it gives it a nice color. And just paint the tops of the cookie. So once you've done that, you're going to take your sliced almonds, and on each top of the cookie you're going to place the almonds. So with the crushed almonds, you're going to place a little bit on each cookie. So it looks like this. Next, I'm going to put this into the oven, and the oven's set for 325, and it's going to bake about 15 minutes or until it's golden brown. And I'll show you when it's finished. And here you have it, almond cookies. They're so delicious and so easy to make. Okay guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.